Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new, girl. So we got a hair video today, and I just finished washing my hair, deep conditioning, detangling, and all that good stuff in the shower. And I did put leave-in conditioner on my hair before leaving the shower, but right now your girl is really feeling like doing a wash and go. Now, normally, if you've been here for a minute, I do not do those often because my hair just shouldn't be rocking with it. But for some reason today, I just feel like doing it. I just feel like doing it today. Like, I don't know why, but I just feel like doing it. So that's what we're gonna do. I've been watching videos of people doing their wash and goes, you know, type 4 hair and stuff like that. And I'm just like, you know what? My hair is pretty detangled. My hair is pretty moisturized. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if she cooperates for this wash and go. And if not, then we'll figure something else out. But we're gonna try. So you guys are gonna see whether this is a fail or a success, and we're just gonna go ahead on with the video. So straight into this wash and go. I am coating my hair with lots of water, a whole lot of water, because when I search any great wash and go video, the first thing the natural girls say is to make sure your hair is fully saturated. So because I don't normally do that, I made sure to do that this time. Really soak that section. That's what I did. And I just raked it through as though it's a product, which technically water should be the first product you apply to your hair, to make sure you are moisturizing and hydrating your hair with water first. And this is what my hair looks like after all that water I put on it. And like I mentioned, leave-in conditioner is on my hair as well, so I just kind of re-wet it with water. But I'm going on top of the water and the leave-in with a hefty and healthy amount of gel. My hair needs a lot of gel to really define, and I like when my hair seems kind of weighed down, because that's when it's the slickest, or that's when it's the sleekest, if that makes sense. And so that's what I did. But I was watching AC Maymay's video, and she did her wash and go like this, right? And then she took each section, and kind of pulled it apart, did a little bit of detangling, but kind of separated each curl individually. And I think she called it shingling. I never seen shingling done like this. Normally I thought shingling was you take, pull apart each section, but you wrap it around your finger as well. But hey, anywho, I'm doing the same thing she did, and look at these beautiful curls, y'all. Look at them. Now, they don't look that defined on this camera, and as I was editing this, I was like, wait, why does my hair look like that? But it didn't look like that in person. I don't know, y'all. I'm pretty sure you notice frizz in my hair. I always just say my hair is just gonna have some kind of frizz. Like, she's gonna find somebody's frizz, okay? And that just is what it is. I'm learning to live with it, love it, embrace it, yada, yada, yada. But like I said, I am putting healthy amounts of water and gel on my hair so that your girl can get a poppin' wash and go. But I'm gonna go on and head on out and let y'all watch the rest of the video, and I'll be back at the end so y'all can see what my hair looks like. Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will. Oop, I lied. I had to pop back in because it was at this moment your girl knew the wash and go was gonna come out bomb. Like, I just knew it. Look at the hair, okay? I just felt it. Like, my hair felt different. She was defining a little bit different this time around, and I was here for it. I knew she was about to come out bomb. So yeah, I had to come in and say that. But while we're here, this is my wash and go, all complete, still 100% dry. Lord, still 100% wet. But I'm just raking through, and this side right here, I wanted to weigh the hair down even more. So I just went through, added a little bit of more gel to each section, with water and gel, and kind of raked it down so that it wasn't sitting up, because I didn't want it to dry up. Like, how am I supposed to say this? I didn't want it to dry like being out like that. I don't know how to describe it. Anyway, I'm moving on. So that's what I'm doing. I wanted to weigh my hair down even more just so it was kind of flattened and wasn't gonna dry with all that volume off bat. I wanted my hair to gain volume as the days go by, which is normally what it does, but I didn't want it to dry that way. I hope that makes sense. It makes sense in my head. Like, I know what I'm talking about, but I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyway, that's what I'm doing here. And look at those curls, y'all. The curls are popping. They are defined, and wow, it looks great. Looks great. But for real this time, I'm gone. Y'all about to hear my voice probably in 1 more minute, and we're wrapping up this video so y'all can see the results. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. So it's been a few hours since I did my hair. It's about 8:30 at night. I finished around, I think it was 3-ish, 2, 3, something like that. I think it was 3 o'clock. So it's been 5 hours later, and I actually just spent the last 45 minutes blow drying my hair. I just took my blow dryer and kind of just held it up to my head to kind of blow dry the middle out. My hair was getting dry, you know, the perimeter was drying. However, that middle up in here in this area, it was still really wet. So I just took the blow dryer and kind of just ran it through my hair. Now it is about, I'd say 90% dry, 95% dry. It is still really wet right here, I'm just now noticing, but I'll probably take the blow dryer a little bit more and just run it through because I do not want to sleep on really wet hair. Also, as you can see, my hair has shrunken up quite a bit. I am going to stretch it out probably in the morning and wear it stretched out for tomorrow. But yeah, I wanted to pop in and show you guys what it looks like after sitting and air drying for a few hours and let you guys, give you an update on the process. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around, give you guys a little 360 action so you can see the back and the sides. It has a lot of definition, you know, it's really shiny. Like if you were looking at it in person, it has a nice sheen on it. The lights in here is giving it a weird like shadowy effect where it's looking a little dry on camera, but it doesn't look that way. Like as I'm looking in the mirror, it doesn't look that way at all. It looks really good. It has a nice sheen to it, definition is there and everything like that. I do have frizz like regardless of anything, so yeah, that's that. But I'll be back in the morning to show you guys what my hair looks like and how I stretch it out. Well, I'm not going to show you guys the stretch out process. I do have a video on that from a while ago. I should probably do an updated video, but I am going to show you guys my hair stretched out and the final look. So this is day 2 of my hair, you guys. My hair looks really good. It feels good. She still has a movement to her, you know, movement and definition. You look closely on up in there. She got some definition, period. I really like the way this wash and go turned out. Of course, the gel gave my hair a cast because that's what gels do. They lock everything in place, you know, so they form a little barrier on the outside just to really define that curl, which I absolutely love. I do not mind at all because after a while, it kind of goes away. The crunchiness kind of fades and your hair is just left being soft and defined and all that good stuff that you like. So I do not mind that at all. I really think my hair looks good. Okay, it's day 2. Your girl just decided to put 2 little buns up here and have these pieces hang down today, but yesterday was day 1 and I did wear my fro. I got so many compliments on it as well, and I was just like, girl, all I did was use this, that, and that. This is my hair, you guys. I really hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all know I don't do a whole bunch of wash and goes. There was a point where I was doing like wash and go Wednesdays, trying to figure out which combinations work for my hair, which product combinations work well for my hair, and trying to figure out a good wash and go routine. But I stopped that after a while just because, I don't know, just because I was noticing my hair was just always going to be frizzy, and I was looking for it to really be defined with absolutely zero frizz. But my hair, you're gonna get frizz, and that just is what it is. It is what it is, and that's okay. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, honey. Give it a thumbs up so that I know that you are enjoying my content and you would like to see more content like this. Also, drop some comments down below because you know your girl like to talk. I want to talk to y'all. I want to know what y'all thinking, how y'all feeling, what wash and go combos work well for you, and maybe I'll try them out for myself. So let me know down in the comments below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that button. It's either down here or down here. That is all I have for you guys in this video. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on,